Messi and Ronaldo land in India. Greeted by colorful celebrations and cheers, they enjoy spicy bhajis at a bustling street stall. They ride an auto, laughing through the bustling streets. Messi and Ronaldo draw column as the crowd cheers. Kerala's flower festival blooms with color and celebration, ending with a lively Bollywood dance.
Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see another AI video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create Ronaldo and Messi AI videos. If you are using Instagram lately, you may see AI videos of Ronaldo and Messi. Mainly this user, Maxian Football, he just posted 41 posts and he got 948k followers, where he posts AI videos involving Messi and Ronaldo. So let me show you how to create these type of videos. So let's get started. For creating Ronaldo and Messi AI videos, we first need to generate AI image, then convert that image to video. To create Ronaldo and Messi images, we need to type in the prompt in the AI image generator. To create the prompt, go to chatgpt and type in this prompt. I drop a link in the description. You can click on that link and download this prompt. Then paste it on your chatgpt and click on enter. And it will ask what theme do you have in mind and how many prompt would you like me to create. So you need to give the theme and the prompts. You can give fun theme, cinematic theme, etc. So I'm gonna give the fun theme in India. So you can give any theme you like. So I'm gonna give this theme, and prompt, I'm gonna give 5 prompts. I'm gonna click on enter, and you can see these are the 5 different prompts. And you can also see it generated video prompt as well. So now we need to drop these prompts in AI image generator. So I'm going to show you 3 different AI generators where we can generate these type of images. So go to tensor.art. I drop a link in the description. After clicking the link, you will get to this page. Then click on this share icon, then sign up with your Google account. Using my link, you will get extra 50 credits. Daily in tensor.art, you will get 50 credits. So using my link, you will get another additional 50 credits. Then after signing up, click on create over here. And this is where we generate AI images. Here is the prompt box where we need to drop our prompts. And here is the models where we need to select the models. For this AI Messi and Ronaldo videos, we need to use a model called Stable Diffusion 3.5 large. If you have different models over here, you need to click on here and search for Stable Diffusion 3.5 large. So you need to select this model and click on select, and then click on use recommend. So make sure you use this sampler TPMPP-_2M and scheduler SGM_uniform. If you use some other sampler, means you may get error. So make sure for this model use this sampler and scheduler. So I'm going to make the seed to random. Sampling steps 25, CFG scale 7, and the aspect ratio is portrait. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt and paste it on the prompt box. So make sure to use 2 images. If you are using Pro version, you can select 4 images. So we can get more images to select from. Since I'm using Pro version, I'm gonna choose 4. If you are not using Pro version, you can select 2 images. I'm gonna click on generate and wait for some time to generate, and you can see the result. So you can see these are the 4 different results. You can select any one from here. I kind of like this one, but you can see Ronaldo is wearing Barca dress. If you want to change that, you can go to ChatGPT and copy this prompt that is generated in ChatGPT and paste again. And mention ChatGPT Ronaldo wears Real Madrid jersey and Messi wears Barca jersey. Then click on enter and it will give the prompt with Messi wears Barcelona jersey and Ronaldo wears his Real Madrid jersey. For this tutorial, I'm not going to do that. So simply I'm gonna download it, and I'm not keen on other images, since you can see in this only image, Ronaldo is a little bit taller than Messi, like in real life. So I'm going to download this. If you don't like this AI model, you can also try another AI website that is called ideogram. So the website is ideogram.ai. Then you can continue with Google or Apple. I'm going to continue with Google. In ideogram AI, you can only generate 5 images for free per day. I'm going to paste the same prompt. This time I'm going to copy the prompt that has Barca and Real Madrid jersey. So I'm going to copy it and go to ideogram and paste it. Then I'm going to change the aspect ratio 9:16. If you want to enhance the prompt, you can turn on the enhance prompt. If you don't want, you can turn off. For this, I'm going to turn off. Then use the model 2.0. So you can also choose color palette if you like. I'm gonna use auto color palette, and rendering we have 3 different options: turbo, default, quality. And if you select quality, means it will give high quality images. If you select turbo, it will generate quicker result, but image quality will not be great and uses only 1 credit. Default will use 2 credits and quality will use 3 credits. I'm going to use quality. In this, you need to select realistic to get realistic result. Then click on generate and wait for some time. And another AI you can use is grok AI. Go to x.com and sign up with your account. Then in the left hand side, you can see the option called grok. Select it and paste the prompt. So this one only produce square shaped result. Let me show you. Click on enter or click over here and you can see the grok produces quicker result. You can use this result if you like, but you can see it has additional hand. You can also correct it using AI. I kind of like this one as well. So I'm going to download this, right click and save images, then save it on your PC. Let's see the ideogram result. You can see you get 4 different results. I kind of like this one. So you can download this as well. To download, click over here and click on here, download, and you can download the JPG version in 70% quality. If you want to download in 100% quality, you need to purchase the paid plan. So I'm going to click on 70% quality and I downloaded it. In this 3A model, I kind of like this ideogram result. So I'm going to use this ideogram result and do the same step for the prompt too. So I'm going to copy this prompt, the prompt 2, and go to TensorArt and generate with Stable Diffusion 3.5 large model. Then go to ideogram, paste this and generate, and also in the grok model. So the grok is kind of fastest in 3. So it produced these 4 results. If you like anyone from these, you can download. And this one is from Stable Diffusion model. If you like anyone from here, you can download it. And you have 4 different results. If you don't like these images, you can again generate using the same prompt, or you can skip this prompt, then go to the next prompt. So now let me show you how to animate these images. So go to klingai.com and sign in for free credits. Then select AI videos. I'm gonna use Kling 1.6. If you have access, you can use Kling 1.6. If you don't have, you can use 1.5 or 1.0. Since I'm using the paid version, I have the access to Kling 1.6. If you have access for Kling 1.6 in the free version, you can definitely use that Kling 1.6 version. Now drop your image. So this is the prompt 1 image. So I'm gonna go to chatgpt and copy the video prompt for the prompt 1 and paste it on this prompt box. I'm going to use the standard mode. Since the professional mode use more credits, I'm going to go with standard mode. And like as usual, I'm going to give the negative prompts like transition, slideshow, and slow motion. If you want to add more, you can do that as well. Then click on generate. It will take some time. Meanwhile, it is generating. Let me show you how to add sound effects for this video. So go to Lemon Labs and click on sound effects, and you can see this is the colorful Holy Festival prompt. So I'm gonna use festival sound, then generate sound effects. Before that, I'm gonna go settings and change the seconds to 5, generate sound effects, and you can see it generated 4 different sounds. You can play these 4 sounds and select any one sound from here, then download it, then merge with this video, and you can see the result. So that's it. This is how we can create a Ronaldo and Messi videos. This is the first prompt. You can do that for other prompts as well. Then you need to merge those videos using video editors. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.